I guarantee you, if you start just watching workout videos every single day, or just downloading it into your brain, you're going to start showing up to the gym because your brain's going to start getting programmed. If you want to make money, start participating every day with somebody that's making a lot of money. And that's the cool thing about the internet, is that you can be around really successful people without actually having to be around them. You can get programmed by other people, because people that are successful, they have a different way of talking, whether it's, being successful at, I don't know, bodybuilding or making money or anything. And you want to be around those people because they're going to program your brain. Go on somewhere like Facebook or Twitter or anywhere, and go find some of the top people that are killing it online. All of a sudden you're going to be in their club, but start hanging out with the right people and start becoming like those people. Winners are people that win. You have to act like the person who's supposed to win, right? What are the people that are killing it? What are the things that make them into a person they shouldn't be? So you have to stop being a mediocre person. You have to start working towards, how do I start becoming an above average person who gets above average results? You don't want to be that person. You want to be the person that gets up and gets things done, and they feel good, and they're an above average person, and they do above average things. Anyways, I'm about to turn 18 in a few weeks. First of all, 18, that's a great, it's great that you're starting at 18, because I didn't get started until I was like 23. Second of all, what I would recommend, again, is that I wouldn't shoot to get a result in 2 weeks. Right? But you're not going to join a bodybuilding competition in 2 weeks, right? Instead of thinking about things in days or weeks, start thinking about in terms of months or years, right? They go, okay, well, if it's going to take me a while to make some money, and I'm going to have to be in this for the long haul, how do I commit to this for the next 3 to 6 months before I start to see some results, right?